Today we're going to talk about some of the different apps and different features that Canva has to offer. Let's get started. So we're over here at the Canva home screen. And one thing that I can tell you that's really new is if you go to Discover Apps and you come down import media, discover content, you'll have photo editing. You can sort all these. But what I'm looking for is their newest feature, which is text to image. And we're going to use in a new design, and we'll just do a Facebook post. This is such a cool feature. So we're going to type dolphin in water. And down here you have surprise me, a photo, a drawing, a 3D image, a painting, or a pattern, or concept art. So we're going to try a 3D. And you click on generate image. And it's taking a little bit of time to generate that type of an image. And also too, if you're over here on your left pane, you can get to these things as well. But here's a 3D image. So if you want to use it, you would just click on it and it brings it right into your design. This is such a cool feature because you can get some pretty unique designs. Let me undo that. Let's bring in this one. So we can come back over here and we can start again. And let's do surprise me. And we'll do flowers in a field. And we'll generate image. So it does take it a little bit of time to work and generate that image, but this is such a cool feature, and it's really cool that Canva brought it in to their software. So once we get this one done, then I'm going to show you some other features. So it generated this picture here, and let me bring that over here, and it generated a realistic picture. So feel free to play around with it. It is such a really cool feature. Like I did messing around with it. I think I did this one, and we're just going to type flowers. And we'll go ahead and we'll add a page and we'll generate an image. Now we're doing a pattern. Let's see how it develops a flower pattern. What I was saying earlier, though, is once you are in some of these apps, they will appear over here on your left pane. So here's one that it came up with. And then what you can do is you can set it as your background image. Like, this is just the best. We'll get rid of that one, and it generated another one. And you can set it as your background image. You can use it in a frame. You can do all sorts of things with it. So if we came up here and we went to a frame, not fame, frame. And let's just say, I don't know, we'll choose a funky frame. We can drop that image right in there. Let me change this to a darker color. That is like one of the coolest things, and it's free in Canva, so please use it. So let's go back out to the home screen. I wanted to walk through with you, like these are popular things when you're in designs. You have the smart mockups. If you click on this smart mockups, it's going to take you into a design, and it's going to give you that list of roughly 100 mockups. if you want different mockups, you want to come over here and click on this link on the left-hand pane. And I do have a separate video about that on how to generate smart mockups. This one, I've never really used frames in this sense. So if we use this in a new design, let's just choose a Facebook post. It's going to bring in just this generic picture, but here's the cool thing, all these frames on the side. So let's say I click on the Polaroid. It actually puts that picture in the Polaroid. And you can click on the three dots and crop your position and move it around. We're going to reset it. And I'm going to go back. Oh, let's try this again. So let's say we want a neon pink. We have that option, or a film type. It's a really neat feature to have for you to be able to utilize. Here's a white tablet. Here's an iPhone, a black tablet, and you can use these in any types of designs, and they're all free. So let's go back out to discover some more apps. They have an emoji piece. This one's been out for maybe about a year, where you can draw and do your own sketches right in Canva. You can add YouTube videos to your designs or embed them within presentations, things like that. So let's go over here. I want to come back to the home page because I want to go into a Facebook post. And I want to come down on my left-hand pane over here, and I want to click on more. Excuse me. If you notice here, you'll see the text to image, but you can also create your own character. You can create your own Bitmoji if you have a Bitmoji account, or you use your Snapchat account. I unfortunately don't have that. So let's go back here. And we'll build our own character. So you can bring in a dress, and we're going to change her hair, and we're going to make it red. Just some really cool features that they have within the program that I'm not sure too many people know about. So I would recommend to people that from periodically, time to time, come check the Discover apps, because this is where you will find new features that they publish. Now, when it comes to share and publish, many of these you have to have accounts with, and you may have accounts with them. And also up here, you can import media from different types. Like you can import from your Instagram. It'll connect to your Instagram account. Some other popular ones, your Facebook, your Google Drive, your Google Photos. You can discover content with all these different features, like we saw emoji, Giphy, the draw beta, add YouTube videos. I will tell you with the YouTube video one, if you click on this and say use a new design, and let's just go to a video. What it's going to do is it's going to bring up some videos here. So if I wanted to search for my YouTube channel, there now, but it's still bringing up more. But I can take and embed a video right in my design, and you can watch the video from within the design that I publish. I hope you found this video helpful. If you would like to see more, go ahead and click on subscribe and click on the bell to get notified when new videos are released.